Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Alyssa. Please join me as I do my 31 days of Halloween. Today is day 10, which is super exciting because we're actually like a third of the way through, which is crazy. Can't believe this is going to be my 10th look and my 10th video. So anyways, today we're going to be doing a broken doll. So I don't have my base on or anything like that. We're going to do everything together. I want to teach you guys how to lay down your eyebrows and kind of give that broken doll effect as well. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll be doing this eyebrow. This eyebrow is going to be normal, like our everyday makeup kind of. So we drew our line for now. This is going to be our marking point for both sides. So this side I'm actually going to leave for last because we're going to be using a lot of paint. So this side I'm going to go ahead and do. So I will be right back. So we're going to go in with the white from the 12 Flash color palette from Makeup Forever and mix it in with our foundation a little bit. I'm going to use a small brush to make sure all the lines are crisp and get all that color on at once. We're just going to use a disposable sponge to actually blend out all the white, and you kind of want to blend out that harsh line in between the everyday look and the porcelain doll look. Now I'm just going to go in with the pink from the James Charles palette. This is the darkest pink in his palette, and kind of sculpt out where I want the eyeshadow for. Now I am not a pink person at all, but I figured pink is good for China dolls and any of the Barbie dolls or anything like that, so that's what I picked here. And then I'm going to go in with the pink sparkly color in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and all the items that I have used or used before my video I will post in the description box down below. And I just powder my entire face to set it. Now I'm going to go in with my blush for my BH Cosmetics Contour and Blush Set and just do a circle on the apples of my cheeks. I don't want to blend this out too much because China dolls aren't really blended out. Now I'm going to go in with the brown from the 12 Flash color palette and sculpt out a very thin eyebrow. Now I'm going to go in with the black and draw an exaggerated under eye. And now I'm going to go in and draw the bottom lashes. Now I'm going to use the same black, and this is where we're going to draw the openings or the cracked parts. So basically you just draw a circle or a jagged line and fill it in, and then you're going to draw little squiggly lines kind of coming out, and you want to add little thicker spots on those lines. That way it gives it the illusion that it is cracking apart. Now I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D liquid lipstick and do a little heart kind of shape on my lips. On the porcelain side. Then I'm going to go in with more black on my chin and do more of the cracked, jagged looks. So guys, this is the finished look. If you'd like to try this, please tag me on Instagram after you do. This is the broken doll transformation. If you don't already follow this series, please go subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video, and I will see y'all next time. Bye guys!